So today I'm going to be converting a HOSS single wheel hoe to a HOSS double wheel hoe. Let me show you how that's done. Simple as can be. The first thing you do to make a conversion is to buy their double wheel hoe conversion kit. After, which is basically an axle and two nuts that will be on the end, and the most important thing, an extra wheel. If you only have one wheel, you're going to be plowing in circles, and you don't want to do that. So the first thing we do, take this axle off. Now I pull this apart a little bit because I want the dust caps up close to the wheels, and they were not gonna be, so I did that. Dust cap on the wheel, big part on the inside, slide it on, bottom it out. I got a nut on the other side, but it's not tight. Put this one on, slide it on, put the nut on this side, .7/16 wrench will tighten her down. Tight, but you want your wheels to spin freely, which they do. Pretty doggone nice. Folks, that's the conversion. That's it. So I have got a double wheel hoe right now where I had a single 5 minutes ago. Literally 5 minutes ago. Double wheel hoe, and I'll tell you what, it's gonna be a mammer jammer. Let me get it off the table. Did I just say it's a mammer jammer? I believe I did. Anyway, I'm going to be really excited to show you this year all the attachments that come in the HOSS line, and show you me using them in the garden. I tell you what, that's a pretty sight, looking down the handles of a HOSS wheel hoe. My daddy used to have to look, and used to tell us about it, used to have to look at the butt end of a mule for hours and hours in a day when he was a kid. And now, I just look at my HOSS wheel hoe. That's a whole lot prettier than the butt end of a mule. You ought to get one. I'm telling you, you will not be sorry. Look at some of the comments below these videos of people that do have them. And if you do have one, write a comment what you think about it below. I'm not scared to make that request at all because I know you love it. Give me a thumbs up. You're really giving HOSS a thumbs up. All right? All right. We're gone.